Now let us take our next property is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. Symbol taken delta, it is change Eg, electron gain, H for enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. So first we can take definition of this property electron gain enthalpy. Write down definition. It is the amount of energy change during addition of an electron to an isolated gaseous atom. In most cases it is released, sign is negative, but in some case it can be positive as well. If it is definition wise, we suppose add electron, so suppose atom taken is X in the gas phase, we add electron in the gas phase, form X negative ions, then in this case the change is called as first electron gain enthalpies. And if I take here, suppose they can gain second electron to form negative ion with -2 charge, then this is called second electron gain enthalpy. If X2 negative ion can take one more electron, form X3 negative ions in gas phase, it is called third electron gain enthalpy. So we'll take consecutive values we can have for the elements electron gain enthalpies. This one here. Now in the given values, only first value. See in thermochemistry we can study here. We can take energy. We can have two kind of reactions. We have two types of reactions. In some reactions, when energy is released, so reaction can be taken two categories. One is exothermic reactions, in which delta H is negative, means when energy is released, heat is evolved in reactions. Or the reaction second category can be taken or can be called as endothermic reactions, in which heat is absorbed. Delta H is positive. Positive means absorb. Release or evolved. So if it is taken here, in the given values, the first value for the element is generally negative, but not always. But second or third values, they become positive in most cases, almost all the cases. Only first value of electron gain enthalpy will have negative sign, that too not in all the elements. Not in all the elements, but in majority elements, first electron gain enthalpy is negative. It is energy change. When we add electron, for the extra electron added, the nucleus will have some electrostatic attraction force. The nucleus have some electrostatic attraction force, due to which some energy can be released in the reactions. Whereas when they form negative ions, इसका रीजन की पहला नेगेटिव है, उसका रीजन है अट्रैक्शन फोर्स ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस फॉर द इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट इज बीइंग एडेड. बट सेकेंड और थर्ड वैल्यूज आर ऑलमोस्ट इनफैक्ट ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. इसका रीजन क्या होता है कि वंस एन एटम फॉर्म नेगेटिव आयंस, वंस एन एटम इज फॉर्मिंग नेगेटिव आयंस, then for the electron attraction decreases, but repulsion start taking place. Electron have negative charge, negative ions are there, so negative charges repel, so they have repulsion, and now to overcome repulsion, energy will be required. To overcome this repulsion of electron and the negative ion, energy will be required. Required means to happen, for this reaction to take place, the heat should be absorbed. The heat should be absorbed. Absorb means sign become positive. when they have higher negative charge, for addition of extra electron, they require to supply more energy. Delta EgH3 become more positive. तो ये आप ध्यान रखिए पॉइंट को है कि for the element mostly first electron gain enthalpies are negative, but again not always. Among all the property, this property will show most irregular behavior. आप देखते हैं variations either down the group or along the period. The this property will show most exceptions. तो पहला आपका क्या है, नेगेटिव वैल्यू होता है, but once an atom form negative ions, in negative ion the addition of electron become difficult because of repulsion which start taking place between the negative ions and the electrons, and to overcome these repulsions energy will be required. Energy will be required or heat should be absorbed. When heat is absorbed, reaction become endothermic, and therefore delta H2 और delta H3 become positive. ये पहला पॉइंट है, क्वेश्चन पूछ देंगे हमको डायरेक्टली रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कि पहला नेगेटिव है सेकंड थर्ड पॉजिटिव क्यों होता है. रीजन है सिंपल, नेगेटिव आयन बन जाएंगे, उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन का अट्रैक्शन कम हो जाएगा. इनफैक्ट वहां पे रिपल्सन से स्टार्ट होते हैं. अगर आपके रिपल्सन स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे यहाँ पर रिपल्सन पे अगर हुआ तो क्या हुआ, टू ऐड इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी शुड बी सप्लाइड. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. Now we can take some factors which are affecting this electron gain enthalpy values. Now before we take factors, one thing more, this property sometimes is also called as electron affinity. Electron affinity. In question they use word electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. देखिए electron affinity we define as energy release. It is as energy released. Released energy. So in this case sign is not taken. Sign is not taken means it is energy release. Release means itself the meaning sign is negative for heat change. For electron affinity. So when it is taken here, electron gain enthalpy sign is negative as energy release. So when the element have high negative value of electron gain enthalpy means the element have high electron affinity. High electron affinity. When an element is having high negative value of electron gain enthalpy, that means the element is having higher electron affinity. Negative value more means more value. So actually when we compare electron gain enthalpy, it is old term, we use less common in questions. But and when it is even when we compare this value, when the element have more energy released, we say element will have higher electron gain enthalpy. Element have higher electron gain enthalpy. In the entire periodic table, chlorine is the element which is having highest electron gain enthalpy. Chlorine. So anyway, before we take the comparison, we can take factors affecting electron gain enthalpy. Factors can be almost same which are used or which were there affecting the elements ionization enthalpy. If for the electron we have more attraction, if for the extra electron that is being added we have more attraction. Attraction more means addition of electron become easier, so then the element will have higher electron gain enthalpy means more energy release in that case. So we compare in factors. First can be taken this electron gain enthalpy. We are comparing negative values. Negative value higher means element is said to have higher electron gain enthalpy. It is inversely proportional to atomic size. Inversely proportional to atomic size. Then it is directly proportional to effective nuclear charge. Then it is inversely proportional to shielding or screening effect. Shielding effect. Then it also depends on the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. When the element are stable electronic configuration, the addition of electron become difficult. and very difficult means addition of electron is not favorable. Electrons addition will not be favored in that cases. And we can take here the type of orbital in which electron is added. The type of orbital in which electron is added. If the electron addition is there in the s orbitals, addition of electron is favored more than p orbitals or d or f. If other factors are similar, if other conditions are similar, because in s orbitals, due to spherical shape, more penetration power of s orbitals, more closeness to nucleus, the addition of electron is more favorable in the s orbitals, then p orbitals, and then d or f orbitals. So this there the factors almost can take same factors are there. You have almost same factors which are used to compare the elements ionization enthalpies. If you just remember, ionization enthalpy values are always positive, but electron gain enthalpy values are commonly negative but not always. Analytic variation, let us compare the variation of this property electron gain enthalpy on moving along the period or on moving down the group. Now if we compare variation of this property, variation of electron gain enthalpy, first you can take on moving along the period. On moving along the period, what happens on moving along the period? See, on moving along the period, what we observe, atomic size decreases. Atomic size decreases. Z effective increases. There is increase in effective nuclear charge of the elements. So what happens for the electron attraction increases? When for the electron attraction increases, then the electron gain enthalpy values, they also increase. Increase is negative value increase. Negative values, they increase. But not regularly. But not regularly. Now if it is taken the variation on moving down the group, on moving down the group, what happens? Atomic size increases. On moving down the group, atomic size of the element increases. So Z effective, what should happen to Z effective? Supposed to remain almost constant. So what happens? Size increase means attraction for the electron decreases. Attraction for the electron decrease. When for the electron attraction decrease, then the tendency to gain electron become difficult or less. So this property electron gain enthalpy decreases. Again, not regular. Not regularly. So when it is taken, we will see this some examples of this property data wise. This property is most irregular. Most irregular among all the properties we have studied, or one property more remaining we are going to study. So let us see this some data values of some elements in which you can compare the values of element electron gain enthalpies. Okay. Now let us take the values of variation of property electron gain enthalpy along the period and then down the group. Let us first see the variation of property electron gain enthalpy along the period. If I take the element of second period, what is variation taken here? If you just observe clearly that lithium is having negative value of electron gain enthalpy, but beryllium have positive value. In fact, all the elements of second group, they either have positive values of electron gain enthalpies. Some sources are writing as nearly zero, but values are positive here in other sources. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज का मीनिंग क्या होता है या जीरो का मीनिंग क्या है? जीरो मीन्स द टेंडेंसी इज लेस फॉर दिस एलिमेंट टू गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिकॉज द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेकंड पीरियड द एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन विल एड अप हियर इन हायर एनर्जी ऑर्बिटल. Your 2s2 or ns2 configuration, the next electron can occupy only np orbital. Ns and np have energy gap. When energy gap is there in the ns and np orbitals, then to add electron some energy is required. So all the group 2 elements, they have positive values of the electron gain enthalpies because once they have stable configuration s2 which is also having more penetration power. For that reason lithium is having higher values of electron gain enthalpy, more negative value than even boron, because in lithium the electron addition will take place in s orbital, while in boron the next electron addition occur in the p orbitals. So this s is more close to nucleus. For that reason lithium have more negative value of electron gain enthalpy as compared to boron. But group 2 element all have positive values. Reason stable configurations. When the stable electronic configuration, addition of electron will happen where in the next energy orbitals, that does not favor the addition of electron. When you take carbon is more than boron or lithium, region is we are moving along the period. On moving along the period, what happens? Effective nuclear charge increases. On moving along the period, effective nuclear charge increases. When the charge of nucleus increase, for the electron attraction also increase, so the value become more negative. But again see nitrogen have positive value of electron gain enthalpy because in nitrogen they have stable p3 configuration. Whenever the element have exactly half filled or fully filled orbitals, that is stable electronic configuration, in them the addition of electron is not favorable. For that reason nitrogen have positive value of the electron gain enthalpy and phosphorus is negative. Again we compare, oxygen is more than this nitrogen and carbon because of increase in the effective nuclear charge. Again it is more negative value. If you take in same period, in the same period halogen atoms are having highest value of the electron gain enthalpies. Most negative value of the electron gain enthalpy is for the halogens in the same period. But again take noble gases. In noble gases the addition of electron is not at all favorable because in noble gases they have stable electronic configurations, fully filled s or p orbitals. So when we add extra electron, for them they have no affinity or attraction become negligible for the addition of extra electron. पहला point. Second point क्या होता है? In the noble gases, when we add extra electron, that will go in the next shell. N increases. If you take from here to next element, the value of n increases. To increase the number of orbit means the next electron enter in higher energy orbit, which is having much more energy gap. तो सारे ही noble gas में क्या values हैं? Positive values of the electron gain enthalpy. Noble gases do not like to gain electrons or even do not like to lose electrons. Stable configuration है. तो यहाँ पर सारा क्या है? Positive value. रीजन क्या होता है कि in noble gases when we add extra electron, one extra shell has to be added in which the electron has to enter. तो electron enter in the next energy orbital, next energy orbit. यहाँ पे था orbital 2s2p, but यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Orbit. So the gap become again higher or positive values are more of all the halogen, all these noble gases. I hope it is clear. Noble gases are having positive values of the electron gain enthalpies. तो ये आपका हुआ variation of electron gain enthalpies on moving along the period. Now on moving down the group, what happens? The attraction force for the electron decreases. So this value should decrease. यहाँ पे कम हो रहा है, कम होना चाहिए, कम हो रहा है. Lithium group 1 elements में when we move down the group, atomic size increases. Then for the extra electron that is being added, attraction decrease. Attraction decrease means less energy can be released on additional electron. Less energy can be reduced on addition of electron. बट यहाँ पर देखिए मैंने डाटा आपको और लिखा नहीं बिकॉज वी डोंट रिक्वायर टू मच डाटा हियर. आपको ध्यान रखना है तो क्लोरीन का. क्लोरीन इज द एलिमेंट हैविंग मोस्ट नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी और हैव हाईएस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी. क्वेश्चन पूछता है विच एलिमेंट इज हैविंग हाईएस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, तो क्लोरीन है. या मोस्ट नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी, तो भी क्लोरीन ही है. अब एक है पैटर्न देखिए. लीव द नोबल गैसेस हमारे काम के नहीं है. हमें देखना है इन तीनों ग्रुप में एलिमेंट ऑफ थर्ड पीरियड्स. अब देखो इसमें वेरिएशन क्या था, कम होना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव हो गया. यहाँ पर क्या है, चेंजेस इरेगुलर. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव ज्यादा हो गया फिर कम हो रहा है. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव इज मोर देन अ डिक्रीजिंग. एंड दिस ऑर्डर स्पेशली इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. दीज टू ऑर्डर स्पेशली दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट for questions examinations almost every year. Group 16 elements and group 17 elements. For these group elements the data or the variation of the property electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy is most important. तो इसको आप ध्यान से थोड़ा देख के करेंगे. इस चीज को है नोट करेंगे प्रॉपर्ली इसको, और इसका पैटर्न को ध्यान रखिए. देखिए हमारे कॉमन ऑब्जर्वेशन है, आप तीन में देख रहे हैं कि the elements of third period are having more negative value of electron gain enthalpy than the elements of second period. In exam you get question this way कि why sulfur have more negative electron gain enthalpy than oxygen, or why chlorine is having more negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine, or why the element of third period are having more electron affinity then the elements of the second period. तो again this point is very important. इसको आप ध्यान रखिए. पॉइंट्स क्या था कि the electron gain enthalpy values of third period elements are more as compared to the value of electron gain enthalpies of second period elements. This point is again very important in examinations of questions. इसका रीजन क्या है, देखिए होता है इसका रीजन क्या है. आप देखो ट्राई करो वैल्यू को देखिए फिर से एक बार. इसका पॉजिटिव था 31, यहाँ नेगेटिव है. यहाँ नेगेटिव 141, यहाँ पे -200 है. यहाँ पे है -333, यहाँ पे -349. The value of electron gain enthalpy is increasing from here to here, but आगे नहीं है, then it is decrease, it is then decreasing. इसका रीजन क्या होता है, इसका रीजन है, you can write down, लिख लीजिए आप लोग. देखिए the elements of second period have small size. The elements of second period are having smaller size, so they have higher electron density. Are having smaller size, so they have higher electron density. Full stop. Due to this, the addition of next electron. Due to this, during addition of next electron. Due to this, during addition of next electron, the attraction force decreases. The attraction force decrease between the next electron or extra electron and the nucleus as compared to elements of third period which are having larger size and cause less inter-electronic repulsions. Which are having comparatively larger size and cause less inter-electronic repulsions. ये इसका रीजन आएगा इसमें कि एलिमेंट ऑफ थर्ड पीरियड दे आर हैविंग more negative value like phosphorus more than nitrogen, sulfur more than oxygen, chlorine more than fluorine. And among all the elements, we can take this point: chlorine is the element which have highest electron affinity or most negative value of electron gain, most negative electron gain enthalpy. तो that much information you have to keep in mind. यार डाटा आपको याद नहीं करना है, आपको डाटा याद नहीं करना है इसमें, बट एक वेरिएशन ध्यान रखना है. मैंने आपको जो पॉइंट्स देखने हैं, स्पेशली ये दो ग्रुप का वेरिएशन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, एग्जाम के लिए, क्वेश्चंस के लिए, तो वो ध्यान रखिए. और ये वाला पॉइंट है, ये दो पॉइंट आपके लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है इस टॉपिक में. और बाकी ध्यान रखिए, नोबल गैसेस या ग्रुप 2 एलिमेंट्स, दे डू नॉट फेवर द addition of electron because of stable electronic configurations. Now if you just compare the values of electron gain enthalpies of halogens. What are halogens? Group 17 element we call them halogens. In them what the order of electron gain enthalpies? Chlorine का highest है, फिर fluorine है. Then we have order bromine and then iodine as expected. This order has changed. The region is same. Fluorine has small size. Due to fluorine's small size, it will cause more inter-electronic repulsions during addition of extra electrons. So it does not favor the addition more. But it is more compared to these two elements. Because of small size, it will have still more effective nuclear charge. And all these elements, they have high negative values because by just gain of one electron, they acquire noble gas configuration of the next noble gas. They all will favor addition of electron. All the halogens will favor the addition of electrons. Then, if I take here group 16 elements which are called chalcogens. Chalcogens. Group 16 elements are called chalcogens. What is chalcogens means? Ore forming elements. They are ore forming elements. We call them chalcogens. In them, what the order of electron gain enthalpy? If you take the value, sulfur का highest है, then selenium, then tellurium, then polonium, and then oxygen. It is lowest. O is lowest. On moving down the group, what happened to electron gain enthalpy? It decreases. कम होना चाहिए, कम हो रहा है. But in oxygen, it is much lower, lowest in the its group. Data है given already in the previous slide कि ऑक्सीजन का था -141, इसका लोवेस्ट था उसके बाद -174. So we can take region again same है कि O have lower value of electron gain enthalpy than rest of the elements because in oxygen small size is there. So due to small size, it have more inter-electronic repulsions. So for extra electron being added, addition of electron is not favorable in oxygen much. So that is the variation. ये आपके दो ऑर्डर आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप इन ऑर्डर को ध्यान रखिए. इस पे क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन पूछता है और ये दो ऑर्डर में क्वेश्चन स्पेशली पूछते भी हैं. ये आप पूछेगा कि व्हाई नाइट्रोजन है पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी, लॉजिक है उसके लिए कि स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है इसलिए पॉजिटिव रहता है. या why the S block elements group 2 are having positive value of electron gain enthalpy, again same region, stable configurations. For same region also noble gases are having positive values of the electron gain enthalpies. आपको ये डाटा वैल्यूज नहीं बट आपको ऑर्डर में ध्यान रखना चाहिए, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन पूछता है. Now next point taken what? कि for the same element first electron gain enthalpy is negative but second और higher are always positive. आपको ये पॉइंट भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा इसमें कि when we add second electron or third electron to atom which already have taken one electron, it have negative charge on the atom, so extra electron being added will be repelled by the negative ion. When repulsion is there by negative ion, the addition of electron is not favored in such cases. Okay, so that is some examples points on this topic, property electron gain enthalpy. Let us take some applications of this property. Now we will take up our next topic, importance of the property electron gain enthalpy. See, the element having higher electron gain enthalpy, they will form anions easily because the tendency is more to gain electrons. So then the elements have high negative values of electron gain enthalpy, they will form anions readily, and they will favor the formation of electrovalent or ionic compounds. If it is taken for the electropositive elements, when they have low ionization enthalpy, they will favor the formation of ionic compounds, while for non-metals, if they have high value of electron gain enthalpy, higher value means high negative value of electron gain enthalpy, they will favor the formation of anions, and such elements are said to be more electronegative in nature. Or if you take halogens, they are acting as strong, all halogens are strongly electronegative elements. And again, the element having higher electron gain enthalpy, they will act as strong oxidizing elements. We can take fluorine, chlorine, bromine, oxygen, sulfur. They will gain electron easily. When they can gain electron, they can act as a strong oxidizing agent, because by definition, the substances which help in oxidation of others but get reduced themselves, for them to get reduced, they should be capable to gain electron readily. So they can gain electron easily, so they will act as stronger oxidizing elements. Again, the element having lower electron gain enthalpy, they become more metallic nature. In fact, this property linked more with the ionization enthalpy. The elements having lower ionization enthalpy, they are more metallic nature, while the element having higher electron gain enthalpy, they are more non-metallic nature, or they are non-metals. Okay, either high ionization enthalpy as well as high electron gain enthalpy, they are non-metals, or they will have more non-metallic character. And then the elements having further lower electron gain enthalpy, they favor the formation of basic oxides. The elements having lower electron gain enthalpy, they will favor the formation of basic oxides generally. And element having higher electron gain enthalpy, they will favor the formation of acidic oxides. They will favor the formation of acidic oxides. So that is about this property taken electron gain enthalpy. Now we will take some questions on this concept, and then we take our last property taken electronegativity, and then some combined applications. Okay. Now let us take some questions on this topic, property electron gain enthalpy. We are going first question here. Write down the question. देखिए, which of the following elements will have most negative electron gain enthalpy and which have least negative electron gain enthalpy? आपको elements दिया है phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and fluorine, and also explain your answer. Also explain your answer. Okay. Try this question yourself. Now coming on solution part of this question. To solve this question, what is given to us? Which have most negative electron gain enthalpy, which have least negative electron gain enthalpy. देखिए most negative किसका होगा इसमें? Already explained to you, chlorine का आएगा इसमें. The most negative electron gain enthalpy will be of chlorine. Most negative value of electron gain enthalpy is of chlorine, while the least negative electron gain enthalpy is of किसका आएगा इसमें? Phosphorus का, because phosphorus have more stable configuration. Due to stable configuration of phosphorus, and also compared to sulfur, it have less effective nuclear charge. So for the electron, it have less attraction. For this reason, phosphorus have least negative value of electron gain enthalpy. If I suppose ask question order, so what should be order here? If it is negative values, order of negative values. Chlorine have most negative value, then we will have fluorine, then we have sulfur, and then we have phosphorus. It is negative values order. Order of negative values of the electron gain enthalpy. Chlorine have most negative electron gain enthalpy. In fact, chlorine have the highest value, most negative value of electron gain enthalpy, or is said to have highest electron affinity among all the elements in the periodic table. So I hope it is clear this question. Now write next question. आपको दो क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, दोनों इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो ट्राई बोथ द क्वेश्चन एट अ स्ट्रेच, देन वी विल डिस्कस आंसर्स. तो फर्स्ट राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. देखिए, which one of the following pairs has higher electron gain enthalpy? ऑप्शन ए दिया S नेगेटिव एंड O, B दिया N माइनस P, C दिया सल्फर एंड S माइनस O माइनस, D दिया O माइनस एंड S माइनस. Then question number 2, you write on this question also. How many chlorine atoms can be ionized in the process? Cl gas gives Cl ion plus electron by energy liberated for the process. Cl atom will gain electron, gives Cl negative ion for 1 mole of chlorine atoms. IP given is 13 electron volt and electron affinity is 3.6 electron volt. When you take electron affinity, it is taken 3.6 electron volt per atom. This value again taken per atom. So read the question carefully. Easy questions हैं, and try both the questions at your own. Now coming on solution part of first question. First question बहुत easy है. You can directly take the answers. Just put the arrow. देखिए इसमें क्या होता है? Whenever atom will convert to negative ion, then negative ions will have positive values of the electron gain enthalpy. If I am asking question only higher electron gain enthalpy, sign is not put here. So whichever is less negative is higher or positive value is higher. So in this question, if we are not asking more negative values, order of negative values, then you take which sign? S negative have positive value, whereas O will have negative value of electron gain enthalpy. So answer for first question, S negative is more than O. Again for same reason, nitrogen negative ion, in them to add electron energy will be required, positive value. Phosphorus negative value. Sulfur and O negative will have positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Sulfur have negative value of the electron gain enthalpy. O negative and sulfur minus. In O negative size is much smaller, so addition of electron is more difficult because this atom will have higher electron density. So O negative is more negative. O negative both have positive value. O negative have more positive value than S negative. That is the first question. I hope it's clear. Now coming on second question. In solving second question, देखिए, we can follow simply law of conservation of energy. The total energy should be same. Now if I take here 1 mole of atoms are taken, how many chlorine atoms can be ionized for the process? How many chlorine is ionized for the process by energy liberated for the process? Cl will take electron from Cl negative for 1 mole of chlorine atoms. So for 1 mole of chlorine atoms, what is energy change here? 1 mole means if I take total ionization potential taken 13 electron volt per atom into number of atoms, and then 3.6 into number of atom can be taken 1 mole. 1 mole means Avogadro's number of particles. From law of conservation of energy, in 1 mole of atoms, this much energy will be involved. So this energy can ionize how many atoms of chlorine? N atoms. So you can solve from here the value of N. On solving this value of N is coming 1.667 into 10 to power 23 atoms. Will be answer for your this question. Rest the possible questions already given the values in the table in the previous slide. When we compared the elements values of electron gain enthalpies in the table, that table is sufficient for doing any kind of questions in their examinations. Okay. So up to here this property taken, electron gain enthalpy. About this advanced portion, we can take Born-Haber cycle, which is again taught to you later on also in topic thermochemistry. But I'll take that part in advanced portion only. Right now it is sufficient for your questions. Now next we take property taken is electronegativity of the elements.